Hey, hi guys. We are doing this again in my car. If there's one thing that stresses me out is shopping during the holidays, because this little shopping center is so packed. Cars are just driving left and right looking for parking. It's just too much going on, too much traffic, too many people walking. I just get very overstimulated. So this is gonna be another holiday vlog. I'm gonna make this one short just for today, whatever I can get. So I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, try to get some socks for Pilates because the ones at the actual studio are stupid expensive. So, right back. That store, oh my goodness, crazy busy. I could not find the socks with like the little sticky grip for Pilates, but I came back with a bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Marco wants enchiladas. He's a little under the weather. And it's funny because he will deny that he doesn't feel well until like 2 weeks after like his cold has passed. Like right now he's like, no, I'm fine, I feel fine, but he's coughing. He's taking like cough medicine right now, cough drops, and then 2 weeks later he'll be like, no, you know what, like I was actually not feeling very well. I'm gonna go ahead and get him that, get some groceries for the week because I have to go into the office, and then I'm gonna try to go to the mall in a bit to see if I can find a dress for New Year's or Christmas. I don't know, we'll see. We're back from the shopping, the holiday shopping. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired, but I think it was a very successful mini trip. I didn't buy a lot, but I do want to show you guys in a bit. I'm making dinner right now. It's 6 o'clock and I'm starving. I've only had a quiche and a latte at like 8 o'clock this morning and an apple. I'm not the kind of person that gets hangry if I don't eat. I just get like anxious. While I'm showing you or giving you like a mini haul, we can make hot chocolate together. Some chocolate y barra. Let's end the discussion here because this one over the Abuelita chocolate. Because I think that one, Abuelita, is more of that Nestle or Nestle Toulouse. And this one's actually manufactured in Mexico. Right there, product of Mexico. So chocolate y barra for the win. End of discussion. All right. Oh, another thing. I'm not gonna show what I got other people for Christmas. I don't know, I feel kind of weird about that. Just knowing that times have been very tough since the pandemic and a lot of people aren't going to get gifts, or, you know, there's just a lot of people struggling to make ends meet right now, and just showing off what everybody's getting for the holidays seems just not right for me. So I'll show you guys what I bought for myself, and then gifts. Sorry. I also like to watch TV, stream any show while I'm cooking, just have like background noise. But since it's the holidays, we're gonna keep it in the holiday spirit and watch a movie. So we're gonna start off with TJ Maxx, but I just got some sheer tights. It's the holiday season. I want to wear a dress with some tights underneath, just to keep myself a little bit warm. This one comes in a pack of 2, and it was $6.99, so pretty affordable there. So they had these like large carts rolled in with boxes, and I think it was with I think it was like a new shipment that had just came in. So I was digging through the box. It kind of brought me back to those days where we would go to downtown LA and dig at like those what was it called, Brandy Melville, like not factories, but it was like a little mini warehouse, and they would just have a ton of their clothes in boxes, and you would have to like go in there and dig through these massive huge boxes to find clothes, but it was super cheap. So it kind of looked like that. But I found these sheer tights. Well, they're glittery and they have a bit of a sheerness to them that I liked. I think these will look really cute under a dress or a skirt, and these were only $4.99. Then I got this turtleneck. It's not even like a sweater, it's just like a nice little turtleneck, a black one. from the brand is it Anne Klein? And it was retailed for $99, but TJ Maxx sold it for 20 bucks or $19.99. So it's a nice little turtleneck, and it feels like the quality just feels really good. Like, I know like it's gonna get several washes and it's not gonna fade, it's not going to wear down. And the buttons is what sold me on the side. If I wore like a little black turtleneck with a skirt and kind of tuck it in, I think this would look cute. Maybe have my hair up, pair it with some gold earrings just to kind of match the little gold buttons. Lastly, I was not looking for shoes. I just happened to walk through the aisle to get to the other side. I found these cute little heels. It's like a chunky heel. They're to die for. I don't have a black heel. I don't really have heels. I got these for $29.99. 30 bucks maybe. I like the chunkiness of it and that it has a bit of a platform. I like that it's rounded out a little bit, so it gives me a little bit of space. And I am a 7.5, but I got these in 8 just because if I did want to wear like tights or maybe like a cute little sock over it, I want that extra foot room. I think these are gonna look really good with this dress that I got. This is it for TJ Maxx. Just to stay on topic with the shoes, I went to Windsor. I have not set foot in that store, I think since maybe like my junior or senior year of high school, like a decade ago. I've been seeing a couple of YouTubers buy really cute things for the holidays, so I bought a dress. It's like a dark navy blue or like a nice royal blue, but look at the glitter and shimmer on that. Mind you, I'm not a glitter person. I don't like sparkles and things like that, but I don't know. I think just because it's Christmas and New Year's that I want to wear a little bit of shimmer to my clothes. But I like the top. It has like a bit of an opening. It's not too revealing, so you're not really exposing a lot. But yeah, it's so cute. So I was thinking maybe this dress with the shimmery tights is gonna be a little bit of like, will be a little overkill with the like sheen and stuff. I might just pair it with the regular black tights with the heels. I don't know, what do we think? I'm not gonna try it on just because I don't want to be disappointed, but I think it'll be a really cute combo. Moving on. So the last store that I went to was Levi's. I got this little turtleneck, but look how cute. It's like, it has these little flowers on it. I think they're little roses. Yeah, I thought this would look really cute with some jeans, or I don't know, or maybe just like to wear under if it gets cold with like a little, with the vest. But I think the vest would have to be a solid color just because it has the little roses on the collar. And everything was half off. So this retailed for $39.50, but it was half off, so maybe like a little over 20 after tax. Then I got a t-shirt in the same graphic print with the flowers, but it's just a t-shirt. The material is also very soft, and we love a good t-shirt moment just to kind of lounge around or just to keep it casual and cute. Since I live in Texas, it does get very, very cold in the winter, so I needed like, you know, a cute little thermal, and I got this one in white. And I like that I can probably throw a vest over it, like a vest that already has a bit of a turtleneck or like a higher neckline. Then I got it in black as well, just because, you know, you can also wear this under if you want to layer your clothes in the winter. So if I want to throw like a light tank, this over, and then a jacket. That's it for my haul. I just wanted a couple of things to revamp my wardrobe, and since it is the holiday season, a lot of retail stores have sales, so I think that's the best time to get yourself a couple of new things. A bit of an awkward angle, but we'll work with it. Okay, I think I'm gonna add one full like little tablet or chocolate tablet, just because the abuelita ones tend to be a little bit bigger. So these are a little bit smaller. I'm just gonna add one whole thing of it. Oh my god, it smells so good. So nostalgic. I'm gonna it looks like for those of you who've never had like Mexican hot chocolate before. Okay, comes in like a little tablet like this, and it says Ibarra. I think the abuelita one says abuelita. I could be wrong, but once you heat up your milk or pour your milk in your little pot, then you throw your little tablet in. Got my milk in here, and just like that. Thing with this though is that you need to stir, otherwise the chocolate can stick to the bottom. It won't stick to the bottom, but you don't want to burn it. I don't even know how you would burn it, but that's what my mom and my grandma always told me, just to kind of just to keep stirring. And as the milk warms up, the little tablet will start to dissolve like that, and you can break it up once it gets really warm. I have it on medium to low heat, and you just keep stirring until it becomes fully dissolved. Since I mentioned this already, that I left my little tripod in my car, you're sitting on my oranges. So, okay, I'm gonna pour my hot chocolate. Since we're having Mexican hot chocolate, you gotta get these cute little mugs. I'm hoping I don't spill, but I might spill. Okay, just so you know. Yeah, oh, I'm spilling! Time for the taste test. It's really hot, by the way. Oh my gosh. It brings back memories of my childhood. So typically, my mom would bring pan dulce to eat with this. Any bread, like a little bolillo, a little pan dulce. It hits a spot every single time during the winter. And we're gonna watch a little Christmas movie.